Hello, hello. What are today's messages? We are going to pick this pile. You cannot breathe deeply and worry at the same time. Action. Breathe in for 5 seconds and breathe out for 10 seconds. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. The longer the exhalation has detoxifying effect. What is one of your favorite things to eat and why? Ooh, the tower. Something on our foundation is going to be tested and tried to see if it's sturdy to weather the future storms. Relax your head. Close your eyes. Relax your head one part at a time. Your ears, jaw, teeth, cheeks, chin, mouth, tongue, nose, your eyes, forehead, and scalp. Totally relax your face for a few minutes. If this feels hard, first smile a big wide grin and then release into relaxation. Stress often produces pressure around the head. By relaxing these thinking centers, you will feel pleasant and calm. Scales of karma. Cycle of disharmony, creating new traditions, unfortunate events. Sometimes things have to go wrong for you to appreciate the good things. Ojas. Air element, philosophy, discrimination, and empathy. You can do a search to learn more about the air element and see how it resonates with you in your life. Freedom horse. What are the things you're doing to free your life, to free your heart, to free your soul? Do more things that make you feel free. Number 4, happy family. Everything is working out for you to bring your happy family together. Inspiration. What happens when this domestic life grows suspect? What have you grown tired of in your life? Where do you feel bored? What if these sensations were opportunities to reimagine the roles you are playing? And the animal card today, horse, freedom. Your heart is pure and free. A greater purpose calls you. You have unlimited reserves of stamina and strength. You follow the winds of change and accomplish your dreams. And then today's little messages and quotes. Our bodies cannot heal when in chaos. They can heal when you are in peace. I don't have exes. I have examples of what not to do again. What kind of day do you want to have? And the last one today. Find people who miss you, want to see you, and aren't afraid to tell you that they miss you. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.